Hello, Drone Boss and Company. My name is Tom Harrington. I'm from Raleigh, North Carolina area. So why did I decide to attend Drone Command Live? I was looking for opportunities to start a business for myself. I've always had a passion for flying. I still have flying dreams to this day. And I had a drone years ago and I sold it because FAA rules at the time. I couldn't make money with it, so I abandoned the idea. Rules are different now, and obviously that's why I'm attending this, and definitely going to build a business out of this. One of the biggest takeaways, it seems to be really simple and pretty easy to make money. You have to put the effort in, but with the marketing plans that are included and all the materials and the network you can join if you choose to, is phenomenal. One of my biggest takeaways is how everyone is doing marketing wrong, not only in the drone sphere, but pretty much anywhere. And that was pretty eye-opening. So if you're considering getting into the business, or if you're thinking about it, I would say stop thinking, do it. You won't regret it. I see myself in a year from now easily making $100,000 a year, if not more, a lot more, and being able to retire in July and do this absolutely full time and just watch the income take off, pun intended. How would I describe the Drone Boss and everybody at SkyEye? I would say they're passionate, they're givers, genuine, corny at times, and really knowledgeable and truly want to help you build a business. So once again, if you're thinking about doing it, go for it. Thanks. See you in the sky.